Hey there, fragrance fam, it's Maddie here. Recent market research has shown a demand for affordable luxury products that can elevate a user's experience without breaking the bank. So let's take a look at wax melts. They're a quick and easy alternative to making candles with lots of opportunities for market expansion. Now, making wax melts in a luxury market while keeping your prices realistic, that can be tricky. When you price wax melts, you're not just pricing wax and fragrance oil. You're pricing your formulation time, your testing, your packaging, your branding, and the experience your customer is buying into. Customers seeking affordable luxury aren't just buying a home fragrance, they're buying an experience at a level of quality that they can trust. As usual, start by knowing your true cost per unit. For example, let's say you're making a clamshell wax using a fragrance like our very own Cashmere Cedar, which is soft, woody, and elevated to clearly fit a luxury line. Your cost per wax melt might look something like this. Wax and fragrance around $1.50 per clamshell, packaging and label about 75 cents, labor, overhead, and supplies 75 cents. That puts your total cost to about $3 per unit, which isn't much compared to higher-end candles and reed diffusers. In a luxury market, pricing products at a 50 to 75% markup is appropriate, meaning you could reasonably charge $6 to $8 per clamshell. That margin allows you to maintain quality, reinvest into your business, all while still providing a relatively affordable product. It's also important to remember that wax melts in a luxury line aren't throwaway items or budget fillers. They're often a customer's first interaction with your brand. The price point should still feel accessible, but it should also communicate value. If it's priced too low, it can actually undermine the perceived quality of the rest of your collection. And finally, your pricing should align with your branding and your audience. If your fragrance names, visual, and storytelling feel elevated, like something warm, refined, and intentional, such as Cashmere Cedar, your pricing needs to support the story. The right customer won't ask why it costs a little more than wax melts from big box retailers. They'll understand immediately. Craft wax melts and price them with confidence. In a luxury market, customers aren't looking for the cheapest option. They're looking for quality, intention, and a brand that knows its worth. As always, thanks for watching, Fragrance Fam. Check out our socials to find out what's new at AFI so you can stay ahead of the curve with the latest fragrance trends. As always, I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye!